Officially, my chicken are a week old today. Today's Tuesday, and by my own counting, they are 8 days old. So I'm going to be checking their weight. I'm going to be taking like 5 to 10 at random to check their weight, and with their weights, I will know whether we are in line or we are lagging behind. Today as well, I'm going to be vaccinating them. I'll be giving them Lasota, their first dose. Since they are 50, and where I bought my vaccine, they don't sell 50 dosage. Rather, they sell 100, 200, and like that. So I'm going to be using 100 dose for them. But the way I'm going to dilute the vaccine is going to be different. I will be giving them the measurement of 100 dose, adding 100 dose. I hope you understand. So in this case, this 4-liter water trough, I'll fill it up, then introduce the vaccine inside it. Let me show you how the vaccine look like. So this is Lasota. Can you see? It's 100 dose. That is how the vaccine looks like. It looks like tablets inside the bottle, but it dissolves when you introduce water to it. You have to preserve it to avoid being spoiled. So I'm going to be using that right now. I'll just wash their water trough, introduce the vaccine into the water, give it to them, let them drink. After 30 minutes, I'll withdraw it and give them fresh water for the rest of the day. I hope you understand. Just follow it like that. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So on average, I am having 180 grams of body weight on average, which is not too bad. It's not too bad because according to the standard, I'm supposed to be getting 185 grams, but in this case I'm getting 180 grams as average. Of course, you know, some will be way more than that 185, while some are lesser, but since I had an aggregate, I took 17 birds, weighed them together. They were weighing 3.05 kg. I divided it with 17 to know the average body weight of each bird, and I arrived at 0.1794 whatever. That's 180 grams anyways, approximately. So which means we are still okay. Just take a look at this in case you have not seen it. Week 1, we are supposed to attain 185 grams. Yeah, but we are very close. So looking at the second week, this would be our target. That's 465 grams. We can attain that. Very sure and certain, by God's grace.